We talk about the topic thick and thin. This is how we deal with when we're going through thick times, difficult times. He says, he looks up at the sky, right? And the first thing he says to Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala, he praises him, says, Ya Rabb. He says, are you going to leave me with these people? Like, these are the people that you're going to trust me to? And then he says, Allahumma ilayka ashku 𝗎𝗓 قوتي. At that moment, it would be so easy to blame other people. It would be so easy to say, Ya Allah, these Quraysh, destroy them. These people from Ta'if, destroy them. And in fact, the angel of the mountain did come down. And the angel of the mountain did say, the angel Jibreel said, I have the angel of the mountain here. If you want, we can take these mountains and just crush Ta'if. And they will be nothing more than the people that we read about in history books. And the Prophet ﷺ said, don't do that. Because maybe from one of their generations later on, you'll find people who believe, La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So he raises his hands and he says, Allahumma ilayka ashku 𝗎𝗓 قوتي. Oh God, I complain to you about my weakness. Am I not strong enough to do this? This message you've given me, this burden you've placed on my shoulders, am I too weak to handle it? Give me the strength. Give me the strength to deal with these difficulties. He didn't at once complain to Allah, you've given me too much. He didn't say to Allah, why are you doing this to me? He said, Allah, why am I not strong enough to handle this? Because I know that what you give me, Ya Allah, is not going to be more than I can bear. I know that everything you put me through is something that I can get through. But what is up with me, O Allah, that I'm having difficulty right now? I complain to you, ashku 𝗎𝗓 قوتي. Only to you I complain about my weakness. And this was the sunnah of all the prophets, that when they were going through difficult times, they owned that difficulty. They said, what can I do to fix that problem? The Muslim community today, brothers and sisters, suffers from self-martyrdom and victimization to a point where it's paralyzing us. Everything is everyone else's fault. We never look at ourselves and say, maybe we're doing this wrong, right? We have an issue, it's the Yahud, right? We have the same brother who is saying it's the Yahud's fault is selling liquor in his stores. But it's a rare moment that we can look at ourselves and say, maybe because I'm selling people poison, maybe because I'm selling people alcoholic poison, maybe that's why I'm struggling in life. Maybe because I have this addiction to this haram, maybe that's why I'm struggling. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted us to know that we will never have more ease than difficulty in this life. That the life where we have more ease than difficulty is which life? The next life. This life is meant to be a little bit difficult so that the next life is sweeter.